Hi, I'm Celia Meikle, Chartered Accountant. It's that time of year when taxes are one of the activities that business owners know that they have to do, but oftentimes they don't know where to start, and oftentimes too they don't even like it. So what we have done is put together the top 10 tax activities for business owners. Number 1, gather all your receipts, bank statements, invoices, take them to your accountant who will figure out what you can and cannot claim. If you sort and summarize these expenses, it should give you a break on the fees charged by your accountant. Number 2, pay reasonable income to family members before the year end. This is a good example of income splitting. It reduces the business income and could be tax-free in the hands of the family member. Remember, the family member must have performed some service. Let them invoice you and you must cut the check. Even if you don't pay all of it before year end, you must pay it or the deduction will be denied. Your accountant will guide you on how the funds should be paid to them, whether it should be a salary, bonus, management fees, or if they are also owners in the corporation, dividends. Number 3, if you withdraw monies from your corporation to deal with your personal expenses, then you must now consider how to characterize those funds. Are they dividends, salary, bonus, or fees? Each of these options have different benefits, drawbacks, and timelines. Therefore, this activity must be undertaken in conjunction with your accountant, who will be able to determine and recommend the split more concretely after the tax return has been completed. This activity is only relevant to corporations, not unincorporated businesses. Number 4, claim your home office expenses. Now, assuming you are eligible to claim home office expenses, gather together all the eligible receipts, and remember that if your business is a HST registrant, you may claim ITCs on the portion of your home office expenses attributable to your business, but only on those expenses that HST was charged. For example, heat, hydro, not property tax or mortgage interest. Number 5, put together a travel log which shows the kilometers traveled for business purposes. This is an essential document whether you are incorporated or a sole proprietor and are seeking reimbursement for using your personal car for business purposes. This is a fully deductible expense. If your business is incorporated, you can be paid mileage at up to 54 cents per kilometer for the first 5,000 kilometers and thereafter at 48 cents per kilometer. If your business is unincorporated, you may only get reimbursed for business-related automobile expenses. Number 6, estimate your final corporate tax balance, as it has to be paid within 3 months of the corporation's fiscal year end and 2 months if it's a holding company. This is especially important if your tax return will not be completed within 3 months of your year end. If you can't estimate it, reach out to your accountant to do this. Number 7, determine whether you qualify for use of the quick method of accounting to determine your GST or HST liability. This can prove to be very beneficial to businesses that do not have a lot of input tax credits. However, there are certain eligibility and registration timelines, so explore this option with your tax advisor. Number 8, if you're a sole proprietor, remember that even if you don't end up owing taxes, you should budget for CPP, which is based on components of your total income, not net income. So you could be in a situation where you owe no income taxes, but you do owe CPP and will be liable for both the employee and employer portions. Number 9, file on time, and where possible, pay on time. The interest and penalties incurred for late filing is another expense that you just don't need. Number 10, once your business tax return is completed, immediately schedule a debrief and tax planning meeting with your accountant. This is recommended even if you're really happy with your tax return. So I hope you found these tax activity tips useful, and please give us a call if you would like us to work along with you. Have yourself a great tax season.